Hi, today in this tutorial, I'm going to be walking through can we manually turn on or turn off SSL certificate on Wix website? Searching for the correct answer, I found this article which comes from Wix support. And here I'm going to scrolling down and under FAQs, here we can see a FAQ. Is it possible to manually disable an SSL certificate for a Wix website? Now let's see the answer. Here we can see the answer clearly. No, it is not possible to manually disable or enable SSL certificate for a Wix website. So if you own a free Wix website, don't worry. Wix automatically turn on SSL certificate for all users. So if you want to add a custom domain to your Wix website like a Namecheap domain or a GoDaddy or Bluehost domain, then here we can see Wix doesn't support SSL certificate for domains or subdomains connected to external or non-Wix websites. So if you're using domain from Wix website, then you will get a SSL certificate automatically activate for your Wix website. And also here we can see, do my subdomains have SSL certificates? Yes, Wix automatically generates a certificate for each custom domain and subdomain connected to your Wix website. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.